Let's get started. Method 1. Open the Xbox app. In the top left corner, click on your username. Click on Support. Now select Gaming Services Repair Tool. Click on Start Repairing. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, check if the game installs. Method 2. Go to the Start menu and type Change the date and time. Click on it. Make sure your time zone is correct. Turn on Set Time automatically. Scroll down and click on Sync Now. Make sure your date and time are fully synced. Method 3. Open the Xbox app again. Click on your username in the top left. Click Sign Out. Then sign back in with your account. Now try installing the game again. Method 4. Go to the Start menu and type Xbox. Click on App Settings. Scroll down and click Terminate. Then click Repair. Wait for the process to complete. If it still doesn't work, click Terminate again. Click Reset. Click Reset again to confirm. Wait for the app to reset. Then try installing the game again. Method 5. For the final step, simply restart your computer. Once your PC boots back into Windows, try installing the game again. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the installation issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.